Hello, today we are unboxing an ASUS ROG Strix GS-BE18000 gaming router, which is a router that supports Wi-Fi 7 and it has 3 bands, so 2.4, 5 and 6 GHz bands. Also it has up to 20 gigabit of wired capacity, and that means it has 7 2.5 gigabit per second LAN ports, and it has 1 2.5 gigabit per second WAN port. It has also triple level game acceleration and triple level security, and also ASUS gives 3 years warranty on the product. So now let's see what's in the box. The box comes sealed in nylon, and check the back side, and let's open it and let's see what's inside. So it's packed like usual ROG Strix router in a nice box. Here we have some paperwork. And under this card we have power supply, LAN cable. So this is a power supply. And since this is a model for Europe, it has European and UK adapters for the power supply. Here's the unit. The unit also comes in a nylon bag. So it's a square box, nicely designed with some ROG Easter eggs on the box, also with ROG markings and sign. This is probably LED. Also, this is the back side. On the back side, like we said, it has 7 LAN ports, 1 WAN port. It has a power on switch, DC in, and also USB 3.0 port. And you can place it basically like this. So it's a stand-up variant. Oh, we forgot the VPS button, like on all other similar ASUS routers. And basically that's it. Thanks for watching.